Today, I am going to be infusing butter with my Ardent Nova FX.
Oh, yum.
I have now infused tinctures, butter. I even made my birthday cake in the Ardent. Happy birthday to me. I've been infusing butter to help manage my pain throughout the day, and it has really been helping me. Here I have about 3.5 grams of CBD with 7 grams of THC. And I'll be putting it to 2 cups of butter. Now, you can grind it if you want, but you don't have to. I ground a little bit and honestly didn't feel like grinding anymore. And so here we are. I did pick off like all the bigger stems, and I broke everything into, smaller buds. Boop. That is a lot of flour. It's a little bit left. Next, we're gonna put the top on and secure it tightly. We're gonna use the M to put it on the mode that we want it. So you have A1, A2, bake and infuse. So we want it at A1, and then we're gonna hold down the power button until it's red, and there we go. Decarbing the flour is so important when it comes to edibles because you're activating the product, making it so that it can be infused in a tincture or butter.
Shall we play a game?
Oh.
I love to play a game with edibles while I wait for the flour to decarboxylate and see what hits first. Do the edibles hit first, or will this be ready first? Let's play and find out. Literally never get these fucking things open. Ugh. Did you just see that look on my face of like, I achieved this?
Victory is mine!
Let's take like 3 or 4. The edibles almost always win. It only took like 10 tries. Okay, let's let this decarboxylate. Let's let me decarboxylate. And we'll come back and put in the butter. It's gonna be great. Once the button starts blinking red, it means the product is cooling down. We want to wait until the button is green to open the lid. It's important to wait until the product is completely cooled down before adding zibata. Okay, the light is green. The decarb process is done. Now we put in the butter. Ardent actually did a study too. Ooh, that looks really good and it smells incredible. So Ardent did a study to see if you can just put the butter directly with the flour and if it'll decarb like that. And honestly, you don't want to do this because it will only activate up to like 20 to 30%. So you're missing out on so many benefits of the product itself. So definitely decarb before you infuse. Now we're gonna seal it up to set it to infuse. And then we're gonna push the power button and there we go. Okay, the button is green. That means we can pour this out. It's ready. Oh my God, that smells absolutely incredible. I'm also wearing gloves because I hate being sticky. I don't know about you guys. I'm also that person who, if I get my sleeve wet, it's like one of my biggest pet peeves. Oh my God. All right. Looks kind of like a gross used condom. I'm ready to go make some infused bomb ass lunch. I want to hear your guys' recipes in the comments. What are you guys making? What would you infuse? Give me some like dope recipes because I'm ready to get cooking.